Who did that Ratchet and Clank picture? I can't see it right.
Yeah. It's by
Pretty
pencil.
damn cool.
This is what happens when you should get a freaking demon art. You can leave that.
I'm having a huge nostalgia trip right now.
Nostalgia.
They're fun at times.
Oh wait, what were you saying there, Dumbo, that you couldn't have this as your desktop?
Oh yeah, because my mom would be like saying, "What the hell are you having on your desktop?" Oh,
Why
it's
is
fine,
Shadow
drooling.
straddling your desktop? What's going on here?
Nothing! Nothing!
Nothing, and you're just there. I don't know. Oh god. And
Hey, shut up.
that's the pwned done.
I shall let you have your wee while of sanity. I'm going to leave now. I'll be back shortly.
Okay.
No, you
Goodbye.
won't. You'll be off drinking your alcohol while jerking off to televisions.
Joe,
No,
he's not
please,
you. He doesn't
please,
just
please.
take
I have
5
to
days.
dubstep
Joe?
my pants back on.
Joe, do the creepy voice saying beer.
Goodbye.
No, that was done. That was
Beer.
You kind of cry.
Who wants to see the funniest music video ever?
no.
I started off
No,
with
I-
it. Yay!
Well,
Hang on a
you
little
just-
bit.
What is it? That's
I put on my pants one dubstep at a time.
First
One
of the year
dubstep
you
at a time.
forgot. How is this funny?
No, look at the music video. You're gonna understand now. It's so weird in so many ways.
Okay, it's a guy with a sweet.
She's gone. I'm hanging on the moon.
I'm just gonna skip forward a bit.
Skip. Forward.
Why is it all squeaky? This looks wrong. How is this funny? It's a guy stalking a child.
Domo?
Damo, I want to know what kind of humor you have.
Domo? Domo, explain.
No, watch. It's
She's
serious.
gone.
No,
I'm
watch.
hanging on the moon.
Damo is a guy stalking a child.
And he's looking out to make sure no one's watching him. Are you sure this is funny?
You sure?
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh my god, I don't know why. I always laugh when Joe does that.
That sounded like it was from Ada.
Joe, for fuck's sake, Joe, stop.
What the hell?
Stop.
What is with this video?
Get ready for ear rape.
What the what? What the hell?
It
Call
just gets
911
blown into the air like.
What is she doing? Force?
Demon
Yeah.
child.
No, this is what people say in the comments. Pedo 0, child 1.
Demon child.
A demon force
No,
child? Jedi
child 1.
No, but
Pedo
it's demon child.
0.
Jedi child.
Jedi
Joe, what are you doing?
stuff.
It sounds like he's swallowing the mic.
He might be. Don't judge.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Joe. Are you rolling dice now? That actually sounds like you're rolling dice.
Oh, but someone said it to you. You said you weren't rolling dice.
I did. Somebody said that to me.
See? Now you know how it feels.
I can't do it. Don't take this wrong, but I can't do it as a wet noise as you. How are you doing that? Let's actually stop. Oh my god, please stop. Please stop. Oh god, she is an alien.
Who's an alien?
There's an alien in it. It's coming. Or the
Oh, God.
alien's controlling the child. I don't know what's going. How's that funny?
Oh,
Oh,
that's not funny. That's disturbing. Domo.
child goes along and kills all the pedos. That's a good thing, but it's also creepy.
What the hell is that video? It's go time with the derpy eyes.
Is that your what is that?
No idea.
Stop, Joe.
That was me.
Okay. Fair enough. Joe died. Stop it! Whoever's doing that, stop. Stop it! Stop it! I will take my headphones off. Give me something to draw. Domo. Dignity weak now.
Dignity.
Aww.
Aw.
Okay, draw Shadow holding flowers.
That's not dignity!
That is dignity. He's
That's
holding
dignity.
flowers.
Eh?
Draw him holding out his flowers to Sonic.
Thank
Or something.
God, you said holding out his flowers. Oh my god!
Holding the flowers out to Sonic, okay?
Oh, some shit. Okay,
Does that sound better?
Shonado. There you go. I'll just draw Shon. No.
Or Sonic holding out flowers.
Up. Stop right there.
Died.
Who died?
Holding
You died.
out his flowers.
They always come back.
They always come back. They can't resist the crazy.
What's the thing we do? What's the weird thing we do when people come on the call?
We laugh like hell.
No, other than that. Say something random.
I can't remember the weird thing that we.
Oh yeah, I went into the kitchen and I heard
That's
my
what
mom
no, that's what
singing,
it was.
singing the troll song.
That's what I... Come on! Come on! Come on!
And don't do what Aina did. Say it when the person's there. That's just awkward.
And Joe was like, what?
Come on, Joe, move your sexy ass and come.
I really wanted him to come on then.
Keep going.
You
Come on,
gotta
get your sexy ass in here.
come on.
Get
Come
your
on.
sexy
Come
ass
on.
in here.
OMG, get your... Oh god, I actually thought you answered. I keep saying he's busy.
Busy.
He's not busy. Yeah, he's busy doing that wet noise. Deals. Stop it!
They're gonna join me anyway, so.
Yeah. No, damn it, please. Oh, good lord. Stop. Oh, stop making me laugh and blush. Good lord.
I'm making you blush.
Not
I'm
you,
gonna make
it's just
it.
the
I'm
fact-
gonna do it this way. I'm gonna do it
it's
this
just
way.
the fact
This is
it's a
good.
manly noise.
Ah, chippies!
I'm doing chibis.
Chippies.
Chibi
Oh,
Shonado.
God. That just sounds disgusting.
Especially when I'm drawing chibis. Oh my god, I was watching. I went on Anybody. Somebody sent me this link, and it was chibis of like how sex works, and they're all chibis. And you couldn't take it seriously. Like, it's cute, but what the hell?
Okay.
I know it. I know a better way.
No,
Okay.
stop right there. Don't
gonna-
show me. Do not show me. Look at that little flower. Oh.
You know what it reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of that one by Shadilva.
Yeah, I know. That's what got me the inspiration. Stop it!
I love her stuff.
You're putting it on Echo. Normal, that sounds pervertedly evil.
Domo, she's always pervertedly evil.
But no, but
Yes. That's right. I know Julianne.
oh god.
You know me.
No, we should. Oh, I know what we should say. You're going to love me.
Oh! I still have it on my computer. You know, because you sent me it on the computer, I still need to put it on my phone. The Sparta remix.
Sure.
You are going
Going
to love me!
that laugh bit. Oh my god, scary as hell.
Fluttershy, her best moments. Oh god.
Woman, are you fapping?
Maybe.
If I said that and Joe walked in, he'd be like, "What?"
What the hell's going on?
Thank God, there's only 3 in the call.
What did I just like?
Oh god.
Come on, Joe, move your sexy ass
What?
and get on this call.
What?
What?
Ooh,
What?
I don't know what I'm doing.
the shadow chippy, it's so cute.
Shadow Chibi. There's like some Shadow Chibis in the comic. Remember when he's like, "Thank you for the lovely dinner, breakfast."
Yeah, but it's so cute.
You know? He's like,
Oh god.
What's that?
It's Dumbledore Echo.
Oh, I don't know what the hell that was. She's popping. I know that, but what? Sounds like you're playing tennis by yourself.
I know.
No, you don't. Because you. Oh god, it's just funny.
No, Chibi.
Chibi. Chibi flesh.
Chibi.
Chibi Shanado.
Chibi.
Oh, Sonic cute.
Sonic
Shut
cute.
the fuck up.
Sonic cute.
Oh, the little tails wagging.
Whoa. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know. I'm being a bitch. Yes. What are you on about? I'm always
Shadows.
converted.
Pax Pines.
Kiwi likes Aaron. Kiwi likes Aaron.
Kiwi and Aaron sitting in a tree.
Doing what they shouldn't be. Begins with S.
No.
No,
Ends with X. Oh my god, they're okay. never
having
mind.
sex. Oh my god, I never heard that version before.
Haven't you?
No,
Did you not?
I've only know the Kissing.
You
I'm
never had that
innocent-minded before I met perverts.
I
Yay.
in primary school.
Never knew that one. What primary school did you go to?
I went to the town school.
You.
Aina, shut up. Aina, shut up.
I have no idea what's going on here.
How much of that did you hear?
Just enough to get the gist of what's going on.
What the
Not enough to have any real,
what the fucks?
yeah.
So which part did you hear? Did you hear the part when I was
I heard
saying
the
that?
It begins with S and it ends in X.
Oh, okay.
I
Six.
wonder what you're talking about.
6. The number 6.
Yeah, let's
Number
go.
17, the spread eagle.
Shut up.
What? Black
Oh, I laughed and I
Echo.
said, shut up.
I went into the hotel and I saw them doing number 16, the spread eagle.
17.
It's 17. Gotta go.